Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This Corvette is finished in stunning blue-green with dark saddle leather interior. It has 90,500 miles on the odometer and a 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The third generation Corvette represents the final year of chrome bumpers, and the only year for a chrome rear bumper and color-coded rubber front nose combination. These were implemented due to the new federal 5 mph collision safety requirements, along with new side impact door beams for additional safety. This 1973 Corvette is well optioned and a superbly drivable car. It has a white folding soft top and a removable auxiliary hardtop. This is an exceptional representation of what is quickly becoming one of the most rapidly appreciated segments in the Corvette collector car market. It's freshly serviced and ready for the next owner to enjoy. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.